years old. I come from Indramayu, Java of Indonesia. My height is 156 cm. My weight is 46 kg. I am origin is Muslim. My last education is senior high school. I have experience before in Jakarta 2 years. Take care the child 8 years old and take care the baby 3 months. Cleaning the house, washing, ironing, cooking and go to market. I am not afraid of dog and cat. I can handle pork and cook pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I can cook simple Chinese, for example, steamed fish, steamed chicken, steamed egg, fried vegetable, and cooked porridge and soup. I want to go Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family and